Welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to remove copyright strike after 90 days. Please watch the video to end so that you not mix any information or any steps. If you have copyright strike and after the 90 days the strike or the warning is still there, this video is for you. Please follow the steps so that you not mix any information. Let's start. After 90 days, there's still copyright notification there. So this video is to remove copyright strike after 90 days when the strike is still there. Normally, when you get a strike after the 90 days, it will automatically remove from your channel. But after the 90 days, if it is still there, this video or these steps will guide you to remove the strike. So here you see channel violation, active copyright strike. So here you click on this thing here, you click on it. So when you click it here, you scroll down, you see to tell you that do nothing. The strike expires after 90 days as long as you complete copyright school. So after the 90 days is still there. Here you scroll down here. You see I got strike on October 12th. That's last year. So all the strike has completed after the 90 days. So to remove the strike here, I will then, you see here, attend copyright school for your copyright to expire. So here you click here on your channel, you click here and you click here. It will bring you questions for you to fill. It's for you to fill. So let's fill the question, or let's answer the question. If you answer all the question correctly, or if you get all the question correctly, and you click check answer after you finish, the strike will remove. So make sure you go through the question correctly and answer them so that the strike will remove. So let's start. Yes, as I said, you fill all the forms. So you fill, see here, it's actually if content is available on internet, is it in a public domain for everybody to upload. So it's no. So here you take your time, you read through and you answer the question. After you finish, you then click check answer. So I'll click on it, check answer. So it is checking my answer. Good. So it has telling me all my information is okay. All my information. So after I finish, I'll click done. Yes, you see there is no copyright strike on your channel. Good. So here I will refresh my channel. You see here, I'll refresh my channel. So I'll refresh it. I'll refresh the channel. The channel is refreshing. Good. See, the copyright has been removed. So this is how to remove copyright from your channel after 90 days. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.